Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at XTREME Tech Micro USB HDMI adapter cable converts micro USB to HDMI 6-foot or 1.8 M, compatible with MHL enabled devices. miltech.org/devices for a list. View contents from your mobile device. There we go. View your mobile device contents on a large screen interface. Display images from your mobile device screen to your TV/monitor. Connect mobile audio, video, micro USB enabled device to HDMI enabled televisions and displays. Includes 5-pin to 11-pin adapter not required for all devices. So this was about, I want to say, $10. 9 up in let's run off $10 all the way at Menards. So yeah. So we get XTREME free monthly giveaways. So you follow them at XTREME Cables, then like, Twitter, or tag us in your posts with the hashtag MyStream to be entered for a chance to win. Don't know what the giveaways are each month, but who knows. So let's go ahead and undo this thing. There we go. So here's the little adapter, which we'll tell that later on. So here's the weather cable. This end will go into your phone, like that. Now, over here you see how this is made, like this. What this would do is, let me grab one of these and show you. For example, this USB one, you could put into a power bank like this if you wanted to. You could supposed to put into, like, you know, a USB, like whether house adapter, you know, wall charger, or, you know, your computer. So what this one would do, this would always constantly send a supply of power to your phone. So your phone always stays charged and you're not running down the phone's battery. This one over here has your HDMI port. You put it into your computer, you put it into your TV, and that's how you get the view from wherever it's there to your TV. Which is a nice little idea of setup, you know. You have something that would pull images from a small screen and project them into a bigger screen. But then you also have this end, which, you know, is constantly giving your device power, which is kind of a nice idea. So what's this one? Well, you just take that and you connect it onto here like this. Now notice there is a gap in there. It's supposed to be that way. It's not supposed to go all the way push in there like how, you know, if you push this one in there. You hear like a little click, you know that's in there. And then if you have anything that takes 11 pins, well, there's the one for 11 pins. And here's the one just for the 5-pin. Now, will this one was a Samsung Galaxy, whatever phone they're on now? I'm going to say no, because I think Samsung's take a Type C, and this is, you know, just a Type MiCRO. So this is just a micro type. So no for Samsungs. I'm gonna say, for like, you know, the galaxies. What about an Apple phone with the lightning cables? Obviously no, because this is not a lightning cable. I have seen something that they did make for a lightning cable, but I don't have an iPhone, so what good is that gonna be doing me? So I figured, yeah, might be good to, you know, just have one of these laying around. You forget to pay your cable bill, you know, maybe your power goes out. Now I know you're probably saying, well, if your power goes out, wouldn't your TV go out? Not unless you put it into your computer, but your power goes out, you don't have an internet water modem, you just got a screen that pretty much whatever you put in, you could do. You can put DVDs into a DVD tray, watch them, CDs into, you know, the tray, listen to them, anything on USB flash drive, anything on the HDMI card. But what if you want to watch something on YouTube because, you know, you still have the mobile data plan on your phone? Well, but you're like, oh man, I don't really want to watch it on this smaller screen. I want to watch it on, you know, my computer screen, which is definitely better than this. Because, I mean, come on. You can't put a computer in your pocket. While this you can, so, yeah. Just put it in and then, there you go. Everything's on a bigger screen. So, yep. That has been the unboxing review of XTREME micro USB HDMI adapter cable. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, hit that like button, hit that sub button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.